Hey, welcome back.
You sound like you have crumbs on the right mouth, bruh. That was way too. Let's not end.
Hey, how you want back?
I don't want to press it. I'm just gonna get the same thing. And I'm gonna see that damn set.
Where's Pan Pan? Pan Pan. You are, you said Pan Pan was.
Kovacs is what we got.
Alright.
I'm sorry,
I'm down professional word. If Breachers is worth it or not. There he is.
Bro, Breachers
bro.
is.
Breachers is worth it, dude. Breachers is so worth it.
Breachers is worth it.
Alright, I'll be buying that tomorrow. I will be on that game.
Wait, what's your ranking global, please?
Global? I don't play global. I don't think I played a single season like.
Pan Pan. Pan
Isn't
Pan.
that right?
I don't think I played a single season of rank.
Why do you keep sending cats?
I've never played rank.
Oh, I really, you know, I'm global
I'm
7th
on-
right now.
I'm on this game.
They got a rank,
24/7.
bro? Yo, I might be hopping on that.
I'm on this game
Global 7th, I
24/7.
got that.
Pan Pan, help me out.
I'm gonna take it from you.
Pan Pan, help me out.
Oh. Just got sexually assaulted.
What?
Let me essay you.
I got a game.
Ah!
Oh. Bye bye.
Oh! What did you say? What did you say, cow? Oh, so what did you say,
Hey, let me show you what's meta, bro. Let me hit you with a meta shot.
The meta flick. Guys, I got right pocket.
Meta there. Meta there.
Finding match.
and I think something about sucking a tail. Put it.
Which
Stomping
one?
a tail. Oh. You sounded more enthusiastic about the sucking the toe thing. Piper, what toe do you want her to suck with?
Should I join?
You said big toe.
Oh, look, I'm joining.
I don't know. That's a bit pricey.
The big toe's a bit pricey. Okay, how much for the small toe?
Like 3,500
3,500, yo.
for a sock.
For a sock?
Joining match.
He wants to know how much for a lick.
Wait, guys,
We're
we
gonna do
have
it a
to
third.
We have to get the 13-0. If we don't get the 13-0, did we really win?
But now,
Like, yes, but like, no. Yes, in reality, but no in our head.
We're underway.
Oh, shit, do a dodge. Get the two.
That's a long shot for
Well, looks like we're not getting that 13-0, boys.
I don't even need it.
Yeah, let's just win the game. Let's just win the game. Let's just win the game. Oh my god,
Sick as
for 3
hell.
minutes? We had 10 points in 2 minutes?
Get to your launchers. 15, 14,
Yo, wait.
13,
Okay,
12,
here's the plan. We're gonna
11,
jizz on Sir
10,
Looper's face.
9,
Okay?
8, 7,
And then
6,
I'm gonna grab it.
5,
I'm gonna goon on him,
3,
and then we're gonna score.
2,
That'll be the plan. That's the plan.
here we go.
Okay. Bad bounce, barren.
Clears it out of their zone.
wow.
Purple rain, let me hit
Catches the enemy
No.
back.
Wait.
We don't need that, my man.
Sends it back the other way.
Oh shit, that's a goal. Let's go. What a god, Red.
Oh my god,
Oh no.
Holy shit, straight up.
Oh lord, red.
So vertical.
Oh lord, metal.
Metal
Should've
clip
shot metal shot.
Metal, turn on my wall. Fuck metal.
I'm on you, Sir Blue. Sir Blue.
Oh shit!
Yo, go,
Go.
Don't go.
Bro, what are we doing?
You're red.
Behind the back save.
No! Why?
Go, purple, go.
Go! Thanks,
Go.
How did they know?
Wait, he's
How
not
did they
red?
know? How did they know?
Oh my god. No, that was.
How did they know?
Give me a red! It's leaving, that's where the disc is. Got him.
Oh, Dom, I trusted you so much.
No, I fucking hit my fist with my best friend.
Interception.
What the hell?
Your turn,
Why are you so fast?
I got this. Go, my child.
Yup.
Okay.
Throw it. Throw it! Oh my god, throw it!
Interception.
Oh, that was cloud. Airball. Dude, that would have been cloud
You're
mounts
red, you
too.
get that. Oh my god, you didn't get it.
Throw it.
Reset.
Throw it.
Reset.
Way downfield.
Oh my god, he made that. Bang. Money.
That's what you get. That's what you get. That's what you get, man.
Wait, what?
Clears it out.
How do we let that here? Please go.
Blue throws it way downfield.
Get that.
Interception.
Why did you try headbutting it in?
I'm too
They
short.
all
Why'd you
fumbled.
do that?
Yo, what?
Right here.
Yo, purple, give me the disc back. Every guy just got negative wrist.
You're red. Oh my god.
Please, help. I'm gonna get bored on. I don't want to get bored on, please.
You're covered. You're covered.
Hey, because low-key that's in though. Wow, you had to save it? Low-key, you had to save it though?
Wait,
Wait.
score.
Make it, please. Oh my god.
Get the fuck off me!
Grab on.
Wait.
Grab on.
Grab on. What is he doing?
What are you doing?
That's a good question. Gotcha. Come here.
Oh shit, we're ready to score.
10 seconds remaining.
I don't like that.
Mercy incoming, boys. Mercy incoming.
Look at that.
Mercy incoming.
Look at that Joker train, dude.
I'm blaming everything on rain here.
I blame everything on blue and rain.
I have everything on Sir Blur.
Get to your
Yeah,
launch.
you're blue. Yeah, look at you. Look at your color, bro. You're blue.
all
What are you
missed
talking about?
They all ran past us.
13.
I know, dude. That what's it called?
Yeah, Fizz, it might be time to get rid of the negative 45 wrist angle.
Dude, that was my
overhand
tracking.
was
That was my
overhand
tracking.
was
Nope.
something
That
else
was my
today.
tracking. That was my
That
tracking.
overhand was
Negative
really
wrist angle.
Yeah, that's why.
Let go. That was my tracking. That's
I'm
why.
gonna kill you.
Sends it back the other way.
Alright.
Alright, so you catch that?
Yo, we could have just like installed top.
Okay.
15 seconds.
Respect the half. Respect the half. Oh my god.
Hit me, I make these.
Bad.
Wait, hit me, I make these. Oh shit, he's running.
Two metal. Two metal. Metal slot. Two metal slot.
Open up his wall.
And the round comes to a close.
Or yourself shit. Oh wait, your team.
Victorious.
Hit me. Oh, bad pass. Yo, go, doggo VR. Yo, Fizz Riga, bro, what are you doing? Yo, he's planting B. He's planting B.
Ow, I hit my fucking TV.
Oh my god, he's freaking planting. What are we doing?
Go your plant the bee, dude.
Play on A side. A side.
Yo, I just 50.
No, you didn't. I was on skill.
Yo, swinging con.
Oh, we did that right now.
Oh. Oh, got him.
Wreck.
No! Wait, behind the back. Oh. Okay, permission to rape Trivion.
Yeah. What are we doing, dude? Yo, top 10 goalie in here?
Oh, that was right to you. How that doing? Let's go, Mark.
I haven't seen that name in ever.
A10.
Remember that. Yeah. I might change it.
Overhand is not working.
Did you see what teammates we had? You are not negative 45 written.
So I ain't gonna lie, your team was the shit, boy.
There's no way. Dude, our team was like not. They didn't want to play. I want to see Perrin.
That's stutter.
One of them wanted the headbutt,
I don't know
and
how
then
to.
one of them just didn't even know
I
they were
don't know how
playing
to.
together.
Like, just like
Yeah,
that.
no, they was
Yeah.
some shit. I mean, they was kind of like
50.
you. But wait.
What? Like, so like this.
Yeah, like that.
I just play on negative 45 for overhand.
Well, all disrespect you know, in your name.
Just.
You want problems, you can
There
love
was,
your brother.
there was something wrong with that though.
Yeah, know your place, boy. I didn't mean to do that. Oh no.
Oh, shit,
hell
dude.
nah.